Good morning. Welcome to Tech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing and we make it simple so that our students can understand. We bring it down to our students' level for every child to understand. Today we are going to learn how to add binary numbers or how to add in base 2. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share our videos. Now let's get to the screen. Welcome back, guys. So like I said, we are going to add binary numbers, that is zeros and ones, or in base 2. And in adding in binary, don't forget our base is 2. So we are not supposed to get an answer that is equal or greater than 2. So here what it means is that our answers are going to be zeros and ones. No 2 here, no 3, no 4, no 5. So let's try with this example. So if you have 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. So we have this number that we have to add. So 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 in binary will give us 0. We carry the 1, we bring the 1 here. So this place will give us 1. 1 plus 0 will give us 1. 1 plus 1 will give us 0. We carry the 1, we bring the 1 here, and this becomes our final answer. Let's try another one and see. So we have 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1, base 2 or in base 2. So we have 1 plus 1, which will give us 0 carry 1. We bring the 1 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 will give us 0. We carry the 1 here. 1 plus 1 will give us 0, plus 1 will give us 1. We carry the 1 here. 1 plus 1 will give us 0. We carry the 1 here. Now we bring the 1 down here. So we have this as our answer. If you want to cross-check if it is true that your addition or summation is correct, you can convert them to decimal and check. And so to convert to decimal, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So when I change this to decimal, I will get 1 plus 4 plus 8. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1. So this is 13. Then this is 1, 2, 4. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is 7. And so 7 plus 13 is supposed to give me 20. Now let's check. This is 4 plus 16. So the answer is 20. And so our work is correct. Now let's try another example and see. So if you have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So I draw my line here. 1 plus 1 will give me 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 will give me 0, plus 1 will give me 1 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 is 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 0 is still 0, so carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give me 1 carry 1. So this becomes my final answer, and that is 1100110. Let's try for the last time. So for the last time, I have 10001 plus 1110. So I draw my line here. So 1 plus 0 will give me 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 is 1. Then I will bring that 1 here. So this becomes my final answer. Okay, so for the last time, this one seems so easy. Let's try this. 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So I have my line here. So 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Carry 1. So I bring the 1 here. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. I bring the 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give me 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1. Remainder 1. So this becomes my final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we are going to learn how to multiply binary numbers. That is multiplication of binary or base 2. See you again next time. Have a nice day. Bye.